guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm broadcasting from my own bed where I'm doing my work. As you can see, laptop is over here. This is the joy of working for myself, but without the spamming. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to prioritize your task when you are working full-time or when you juggle a couple of business ideas, and how to organize your time and how to plan, because this is something what I struggle a lot. So if you feel that you literally stuck in some content creation hamster wheel, or you're thinking that your list is literally never ending and it just piles up and you're feeling like you're not doing enough and you are just literally on the edge of burnout, this video is for you, so please keep on watching. First, very important thing I want you to know, you don't have a problem with time management, you've got a problem with energy management. And this is something I wish somebody had told me way before in my business, and was nobody, so I'm telling you this now. If you are a man, you have to understand how your circadian rhythm works. And if you're a woman, you have to understand how your circadian and your infradian rhythm works. And what I mean by that, circadian rhythm, circa in Latin, it means circle, and dia means day. So it's basically your 24 hours day, and 24 hours rhythm day is totally different when it comes to men and totally different when it comes to us women. For example, you dear men are waking up on the crack of dawn, you don't have any problems of waking up early, testosterone is rising, something else is rising in the morning and then you are ready to rock the world. And your peak energy is around 12 p.m. and then your energy slowly waning. At about 3 p.m. It's when the men are start losing concentration. That's why in corporate world, a lot of meetings are scheduled around 3 p.m. And women, we are totally different. You know, we are waking up very slowly. Our peak, we are totally awake at 9 in the morning, not like men, very early. And our energy doesn't go straight down like when it comes to men, but we are losing the focus very gradually. So even around 4 p.m. we women are still focused and still manage to do some tasks, while men, they are done for a day. You have to understand that in order to plan and to know which of your days are the most productive ones, okay? So for women as well, you're going to be more productive during the ovulation, when you've got better communication skills, so you can better communicate your ideas. For example, that's why I'm not launching around my period times, because it just rarely work. So you have to understand that you have to manage your energy first, okay? Because every single person got the same amount of time. We just have to learn how to manage our energy. Another important thing, my lovely, you have to set one goal that you want to accomplish in this week, and do only things bring you close to your goal. Because we tend to procrastinate learning. That means we are learning and procrastinating at the same time. And a lot of girls and guys with imposter syndrome can relate. It's mean that you feel like, oh, I don't know, enough to do this specific task, so I'm going to learn more in order to do more. And it doesn't bring you close to your goal whatsoever. So set up your weekly one goal and just make sure that you do only things that are bringing you closer to your goal, nothing else. The rest can wait. And another thing, if you've got the planner, like daily planner, please bin it, because it's absolutely waste of time, waste of energy, and all it does, it just makes you feel miserable about yourself. I did this mistake when I just started in my business. I invested in very expensive planners, bullet planners. And the reality was that I have to move the task from one day to another. And of course, moving the task make me feel like I sucks in life, like I didn't do enough, in this day. And I just feel bad about myself. So instead, now I'm doing a weekly task, which looks like this. And I'm just crossing off the things which I've done. And I feel better about myself because I know that I've got all week to accomplish them. Another thing, if you don't have a team, but you are just solo in the business, please don't use any time management softwares, Trello or Pomodoro. If you are just one, do your 1 week to-do list and start crossing it off. It takes less time than putting the task in Trello and then wasting the time to actually cross it off. I hope this short video helped. If you like it, please click the like button, subscribe and share it with everyone, because world needs more of us introverts and activists in business. Thank you for watching. See you very shortly. Bye.